The desert region in India is located around the southwest part of the northern plains. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is located in western Rajasthan and covers a major part of the state. Rajasthan is also known as the desert state of India. The Aravalli Range lies in the eastern region of the desert state. The Thar covers a major part of Rajasthan and extends up to Gujarat. Punjab and Haryana. Desert as a landform plains. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is located in western Rajasthan and covers a major part of the state. Rajasthan is also known as the desert state of India. The Aravalli Range lies in the eastern region of the desert state. The Thar covers a major part of Rajasthan and
you can see these area, desert area, okay, Rajasthan. More than half of the Rajasthan covered desert. So that's why Rajasthan is also known as state of desert, yeah, desert state.
Extends up to Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. Desert as a landform. Deserts do not have much vegetation because of scanty rainfall. Plant life exists only in the form of thorny shrubs and herbs, cacti, date palms, kikar, and babul, etc., that do not need much water. Lack of vegetation also causes soil erosion and dust storms. Strong winds that blow in deserts carry sand over long distances and form sandhills. These go up to even 500 meters high and are called sand dunes. Water and vegetation in deserts. Deserts also have oases, areas in a desert where there is water and plants. We see many date palms, shrubs, herbs, and some vegetation in oases. Naturally, there are human settlements around oases. Crops such as bajra around oases. Crops such as in oases. Naturally,
this is oasis, okay, this is the fertile part of the desert around which vegetations grow, है ना? Sometimes underground water comes up to the surface when the sand moves from one place to another. This forms oasis. ठीक है? इस oasis के आसपास ही लोग रहते हैं और यहाँ पर agriculture होता है. Because ये fertile area होता है desert में. So the animals can get their food from here. Okay. So that's why the vegetation and the populations remain around the oasis. Okay. This is the landform of Rajasthan. Sand dunes and oasis. And Rajasthan's or the desert area.
There are human settlements around oases. Crops such as are grown in winters. As the Rajasthan Canal, which brings water.
So we have seen the desert. Desert have a hot and dry climate. कर लिया था हमने कल क्लास में, ठीक है? साथ ही क्या है इसका? It lies between 25 degree to 35 degree latitude. अगर इसका पूछा जाता है कि डेजर्ट एरिया का लोकेशन क्या है, तो क्या बताएंगे हम? (25 to 35), in between the 25 to 35 degree latitudes. Okay, and the temperature is up to till 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. यहाँ का टेम्परेचर जो है वो कितने डिग्री तक इंक्रीज हो जाता है? 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. हैव यू टेकन हिंदी along with yourself? See chat box. मैम चैप्टर 7 एसएसटी में लिंक नहीं आई है. एसएसटी में लिंक नहीं आई है. ओके, आई विल चेक बाय टुडे. देन deserts are classified into two parts: hot desert and cold deserts. Okay, we have seen in a table the different names of hot desert and cold desert and the area covered by them also. Good. So today we will study about the, I think today we will do the read and answer. Open your book, page number 57. Page number 57. देखते हैं, सेंट्रल एशिया. Yes. First question, take the correct answer. Look at your book. All of you start your video. सभी अपना वीडियो स्टार्ट कीजिए. All of you start. Open your book and get it filled. Yes, well done, Adiba. Okay, first take the correct answer. Gobi Desert lies in Central Asia. Yes. No blank type. Who has filled the answer? किसने कल का होमवर्क किया है? All have done the homework. Sid, have you completed the work given yesterday? Yes, Vedanshi, well done. Navya, good. Harshita, yes. Yes. Chapter 8. Chapter 8. Objectives. Read and exercise objectives. Read and answer. First one is take the correct answer. First, Gobi Desert lies in Central Asia. Good. Second, Atacama Desert lies in B, Asia. C. Sorry. Atacama is South America. Atacama Desert in South America. Sorry. South America. South America. So the correct option is C. Now, third, dry temperature in desert may go high up as 50 degrees centigrade, and that is the correct option. Third ka C. Now, fourth, Finac fox has D, long, large ears. D. Okay. D. 4, 5. Saudi Arabia earns a lot of money by exporting. क्या export कर रहे हैं? Yes. Answer is petroleum. Fifth, D. Now, B. First, desert receive rain which is less than 25 degrees centigrade. 2. Desert have hot and dry climate. Third, plants are usually small in size. है ना? Fourth, camels have dash legs and large. ठीक है, camels have long legs and large eyelashes. है ना? Eyelashes. Long and large eyelashes. ठीक है, long legs and large eyelashes. Oasis are the source of water. Oasis is water in the desert area. Clear? Yes, correct, Vedanshi, Sanvi, yes, well done. Sonakshi, good. Now come to the true and false. See, the world's desert occupy almost half of Earth's land surface. The world desert occupy almost half of the land surface. Ma'am, have you joined the class? Okay, class. Second. Okay, go with it. Yes, well done. Those who are giving the answers. इस पे तो सही दिख रहा है ना? First, false. Second, Arabian desert is a hot desert. True or false? Arabian desert is a hot desert. True. Yes. Third, Gobi desert is the largest. Desert is the largest cold desert. बीच बीच में बच्चे क्यों आ रहे हैं? Fourth, desert plants have small leaves and thorns. True. Small leaves? No, large leaves. No leaves. No leaves or the small or no leaves and thorns. Yes, true. ठीक है. Now fifth, desert tortoise burrows under the sand. True. Now come D. Pastoral nomads. First of all मैं लिख लेती हूँ. One. अच्छा ठीक है. Pastoral nomads. Book activity is done. So write down the answers in a chat box. Vedanshi, write, give the answer in chat box. Okay. Pastoral nomads. Shifting cultivation. मैं see the number. I am writing the correct options number in front of the column. Number 2, juniper. 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 What is? Second का D. Second, juniper. Yes, is a plant. Second, D, plant. Third, shell. Tortoise, B, which protect them. Fourth, Kalahari, moist environment. Kalahari. Third, B option, oasis. Oasis. Bushman. Fourth, fifth, Kalahari, Bushman, moist environment, oasis. नहीं ठीक है. Fourth, Kalahari, yes. Bushman. And fifth, moist environment, oasis. Good. Done. Ma'am, please speak loudly. मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, Bhumi. ED AC. Yes. And C. Done. Now come to the question answers. E. Those who wants to give the answer, write in the chat box. Where are deserts found on the earth? Where are deserts found on? Who wants to give the answer? Everybody has done? Who wants to give the answer? From where you will get the answer of this question? Samya Kuldeep. Navya Singh. Give the answer of question number 1. बेटा speak without speaker. आप speaker निकाल के बात कीजिए. I cannot hear you.
Deserts are found on the earth between 25 and 35 latitudes on both sides of the equator.
Can't hear you. Deserts are found on the earth between 25 degree to 35 degree latitude on the both side of the equator. You can get the answer from wrap up. The point number 1. Mention wrap up. Point number 1. Samya, I have given a time to you. Seriously. Don't leave the class in between. I have given 10 minutes break to all of you before starting the class. So, first, page number 56 in the wrap up, the point number 1 is the one. Name any 2 hot deserts. Write down the name of any 2 hot deserts. Sahara and Kalahari deserts. Sahara desert, Arabian desert. Out of 8, you may write any 2. Name of any 2. Sahara, Kalahari. Huh? What? हाँ, Sahara desert and Kalahari desert. Now third, why there is not much evaporation in deserts? Why there is not much evaporation in desert? Deserts are found on the earth along. Well done, Sanvi, Harshita. Ma'am, me, Harshita, where are you, Harshita? Harshita, are you in the meeting? मीटिंग में तो शो ही नहीं हो रहे. Harshita, are you in the meeting? Ma'am, me, but I cannot hear see you. I think she is not in the meeting. Not much evaporation in deserts. Sir? Yes, Vikram. Now, Vikram. Anybody else who wants to give the answer? Vedansi.
Ma'am,
yes.
one question is.
Second question, third question, why there is not much evaporation in deserts? Why there is much evaporation in desert? What is required for evaporation? Evaporation के लिए क्या चाहिए? किसका evaporation होता है? हाँ? Yes, Bhavya.
मैम एक मिनट. मैम.
हाँ, try. Yes.
मैम बस एक मिनट. मैम.
Yes, Bhavya. Try to give the
Deserts have dry and hot. During daytime, the temperature may go as high as I give the answer? 50-degree temperature.
Yes. Bhavya, stop.
Okay,
yes,
ma'am. The equator people use metal.
Stop. No, this is not the correct answer. Yes. Any other one? Yes, Daksh. Why there is not much evaporation in desert? Yesterday we have discussed about this. No, please come. Yes.
हमको एक problem है.
Okay, write your problem in a chat box. I will give you a solution in your chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adiba, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
Deserts lack water bodies, there is not much evaporation.
Yes. Deserts lack water bodies, so there is no evaporation. Please turn page number 54. Climate. The second point is the answer.
मैम फर्स्ट आंसर बता दीजिए.
That's why I told you yesterday to find out the answers. We will discuss in the class. Page number 54 in the climate point number 2. Desert lack water bodies, so much evaporation. ठीक है? Take the correct answer. Deserts lack water bodies, so there is not much evaporation. As we know, for the evaporation we need water bodies or the water, because the evaporation takes place in the water, and there is a lack of water, so there is no evaporation in the desert area. It's okay?
Ma'am, third answer.
This is the third answer. Page number 54. Climate, point number 2. Answer of third question.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen carefully. Now, why do plants usually have long roots in desert? Why do plants have long roots in desert? To give the answer.
Some plants have very Plants have very long roots to get moisture available under the ground.
Yes. Long plants have
very long roots to get moisture available deep under the ground.
Yes, well done. Page number 55, second paragraph. Mark the answer. Page number 55, second paragraph. Some plants have very long roots to get moisture available deep under the ground.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see over there, the answer is in the third line.
Give answer fifth.
So underline, some plants have very long roots. In the third line, you will get the answer. Some plants have very long roots. Moisture available deep under the.
जब हम शॉर्ट आंसर्स करवा रही है.
ठीक है. Now question number.
Ma'am, first.
Question number 5. When are tortoise active in desert? Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
When tortoise active?
It burrow under the sand to protect itself. Ma'am, me?
Yes. When the tortoise is active in desert?
Tortoise is active in desert in the morning and evening.
Yes.
When it is cooler.
When it is cooler. Yes. Tortoise is active usually in morning and evening when it is cooler. Page number 55. Tortoise. Okay. In the point tortoise, first line. Yes, Sid. Mark the answer, Sid. Tortoise is active usually in the morning and evening when it is.
मैम फर्स्ट वाला बता दीजिए.
Short answer type. SAT question number 5. Answer number SAT 5.
मैम आंसर फर्स्ट का क्या आएगा?
Who is asking? Ma'am. Sid, where the deserts found on the earth? Wrap up में जाओ बेटा. Page number. Wrap up का first point. SAT. ठीक है. Deserts are found on earth between 25° latitude on both sides of the equator. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all done. Suhani, Meena, have you marked? Harshita, Ankita, have you marked the answers in the book? Charu?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
हाँ बताओ बेटा. Tell me.
मैम मैम आप शॉर्ट आंसर की वापस से टिक करवा दोगे मैम. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम.
From, please take the answers from after which question? फर्स्ट एक बार वापस से सुन लो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. The first point is the answer of SAT, answer number 1. SAT, answer number 1. Short answer type question, answer number 1. So mark SAT, answer number 1. Second, answer number 2. Right? Any
Desert are found between. आ गया.
Any
Desert found on.
Sahara, you may write. Whose spelling you can learn very easily. Sahara and Kalahari or anything. जिसका भी नाम आपको easily you may write out of 8. Arabian deserts, whatever. Why there is not much evaporation in desert? Come to the page number 54. Facts about desert in climate. Point number climate. The second point. Climate. The second point. Water body. So there is no much evaporation. SAT. Answer number 3rd. Okay. SAT. Answer number 2nd. है ना? Now 4th. Why do plants usually have long roots in the deserts? Come page number 55. Third line. Some plants have very long roots to get moisture available deep under the ground. So they have a long root so they can observe the moisture that is available under the ground. So this is the answer, SAT answer number 4. Now SAT answer type question and SAQ and LAQ. SAQ and LAQ. Now long answer type question. When do tortoise active in the desert? Page number 55. Short answer type questions ka 5. The tortoise is active usually in the morning and evening when it is cooler. Page number 55. So now done short answer type question. Come to the long answer type. There is a chat box. Ma'am, please see my answers. Okay. Have you written? Don't mark question answer. Second answers. बेटा second answers दक्षराज out of table में से आप दूसरा में से ले लो. Any 4 में से कोई भी 2 नाम लिख सकते हो आप. Look at page number 54. Hot desert. हॉट डेजर्ट्स में 8 हॉट डेजर्ट्स के नाम दिए हुए हैं. सहारा, अरेबियन, कालाहारी, ग्रेट विक्टोरिया, साइरियन, ग्रेट सैंडी डेजर्ट, सोनोरान. आप इनमें से कोई भी 2 का नाम लिख सकते हैं. यू मे राइट एनी 2. 2 का लिख लीजिए. सहारा डेजर्ट एंड अरेबियन डेजर्ट. आंसर नंबर 2. सहारा डेजर्ट एंड अरेबियन डेजर्ट. ओके
Ma'am,
यस.
ma'am, I don't mark first question also. Ma'am, I don't mark first question also.
Beta, you can get the answer in wrap up. You have to self na. Yesterday I have given a homework to find out the answers. In page number 55, you can get the answer. Page number 56. Point number 1 is the answer of first question. If you are getting a problem in short answer type question also, when we will discuss the long answer type question? You people are able to find out the short answer type questions at least. Describe desert on Earth's surface, how they classify. Name any 2 hot deserts. Okay. Describe करना है आपको location deserts का location surface पे कहाँ है. How they are classified. तो किस तरह से classified किया गया है. आपको किसी 2 deserts के नाम लिखने हैं. ठीक है. तो listen to me first. Come to the first we have to describe the location where it is located. Okay, So first point, page number 53, location, deserts are on earth. You may do one thing, page number 56. Location number 56, first point. Page number 56 का first point. 3 आंसर्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. एक ही क्वेश्चन में 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनके आपको आंसर्स करने हैं. तो लोकेशन में आप सबसे पहला जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है वो उसका आंसर है. ठीक है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि हाउ दे आर क्लासिफाइड. दे आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. Deserts are classified as hot and cold deserts. Page number 50. Classification, page number 53. Second paragraph. You have to write down deserts are classified as hot and tropical, hot or subtropical and cold deserts. Only till then. यहीं तक बस लिखना है. This is the classification. To write down the name of 2 deserts, hot deserts. तो यहाँ पे आप कोई सेम नाम लिख सकते हैं जो ऊपर भी लिखा है आपने, सहारा एंड अरेबियन deserts. 3 questions in one. There are 3 questions in one question, long question. तो लोकेशन वहां से लिखेंगे. क्लासिफिकेशन पेज नंबर 53. यस नाउ ठीक है. Now second question, why is the climate hot and dry in desert? In spite of hot climate, why there is not much evaporation? Hot climate होने के बाद भी यहाँ पे evaporation बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होता. दूसरा, क्लाइमेट यहाँ का हॉट एंड ड्राई क्यों?
मैम
यस हाँ बोलो.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जो सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन है मैम वो समझ नहीं आया.
सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर है पेज नंबर 53 का सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. पेज नंबर 63 में फर्स्ट लाइन जो है ना, पेज नंबर 3 सेकेंड पैराग्राफ फर्स्ट लाइन. Deserts are classified as hot and subtropical and cold deserts. Deserts are classified as hot or subtropical and cold deserts. Clear? Daksh?
यस मैम.
And
मैम फर्स्ट
yes. Yes, tell me.
मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर.
बेटा फर्स्ट का ही तो बता रही हूँ. फर्स्ट में रैप अप का फर्स्ट पॉइंट ही आपको यहाँ भी लिखना है. शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप में भी लिखा था आपने और यहाँ लॉन्ग में भी वही लिखना है. वो होगा आपका लोकेशन. दूसरा है क्लासिफिकेशन. तो क्लासिफिकेशन कैसा है, हॉट एंड कोल्ड डेजर्ट. और तीसरा क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ रहा है राइट डाउन द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ 2 हॉट डेजर्ट. सेम जो आपने शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन में 2 नाम लिखे हैं, सेम यू मे राइट ओवर हियर आल्सो. क्लियर? Now come to second point. Second question, why the climate is hot and dry in desert? Desert climate hot and dry क्यों है? Because it lie near the equator. Because it lies near the है ना, hot and dry. यहाँ का क्लाइमेट है because it lies near the equator. अभी हॉट होने के बाद भी एवेपोरेशन रेट यहाँ पे बहुत ही कम है. वाई? इसका आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन में किया था. दैट देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ वाटर बॉडीज. यस पायल. यस पायल. टेल मी. आई कांट हियर यू पायल. Speak loudly. I can't hear you. Check your audio. Yes, speak. Now speak. Tell me, Payal. हाँ? बिल्ली? ठीक है मैं कॉल कर लूँगी. Yes. पायल टेल मी. वापस से पूछो बेटा. I can't hear you.
ये वाला पूछा है, ये वाला
तो है आपका, फिर क्यों नहीं आ रही आवाज? Write in the chat box. Then chapter 8. Okay. In this question, why the climate is hot and dry in desert? Because it lies near the equator. As the sun rays fall directly on equator, the climate is hot and dry. Even though there is a hot dry climate, rate of evaporation is very low because there is a lack of water bodies. यहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है वो हॉट एंड ड्राई इसलिए है क्योंकि ये इक्वेटर के नियर में है, लेकिन यहाँ पे एवोपरेशन नहीं के बराबर होता है बिकॉज देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ वाटर bodies. You have to write in your own language. The desert plants undergo many adaptations. Describe the adaptation in their leaves and roots. The answer you can get in page number 55. कल मैंने आप लोगों को लिखवाए थे. I have given in a notes. Harshita, have you noted down yesterday? Adaptation in plants. Those who have noted down, write down the point from there. Payal, कल आपने नोट किया था ना? Adaptations in the desert plants. जो points मैंने वहाँ लिखवाए थे, same you have to write down over there. Adiba, have you noted down yesterday? Sid? Yes, Sid.
लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर का सेकंड में क्या है?
What?
लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर के सेकंड में क्या है?
बेटा यही तो मैं कह रही हूँ कि सेकंड का आंसर आपको खुद लिखना पड़ेगा. मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है आपको. राइट डाउन बाय सेल्फ, खुद से लिखो. द क्लाइमेट ऑफ डेजर्ट इज हॉट एंड ड्राई बिकॉज इट लाइज नियर द इक्वेटर. द सन रेज डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर. द क्लाइमेट is hot and dry, but there is no evaporation because lack of water bodies. यहाँ evaporation हो. ठीक है. Plants. Yesterday I have Adiba क्या लिखवाया था मैंने? Read the point. Adaptation in plants. Yesterday I have given in a notes now. What are the adaptation in plants? You have noted in your copy. Turn the page back.
The desert plants have undergrown.
What adaptation in plants? Desert plants.
Adaptations in desert plants: small in size, no
Yes.
leaf, fine,
Yeah.
long root,
Yes.
long root.
Yes. Okay. These are the adaptations. Right. आप वही same answers यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. Describe the adaptation in the leaves and roots also. ठीक है. ये सारा आपके उस answers में आ जाएगा. What adaptation have camel, tortoise and fox? क्या adaptation है वो पेज नंबर 55 में आपको मिल जाएंगे. What are the adaptation in camel, tortoise and phoenix? Describe the human settlement patterns of the people living in desert. Desert में रहने वाले लोगों का settlement pattern क्या है? You have to describe it. तो यहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं वो किस तरह से रहते हैं? So first of all, come page number 56. Answer 5. Long answer number 5. Small groups of people like Bushmen of Kalahari and original Australians live in a semi-nomadic food gathering hunting life. First point में mark first point.
There are three main types of human settlement.
Yes, there are three main:
Nomadic life,
semi-nomadic,
life,
pastoral nomads and settled life. Okay, तीन तरह के होते हैं. वो ही आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रीफ में करके लिखना है. ठीक है. Have you done Adiba? आपने कर दिया है? Yes, give the answer. है पेस्टोरल नोमैड्स सीजनली कल्टीवेट सेलेक्टेड एरियाज. है ना? यहाँ तक नहीं, यहाँ से लिखेंगे सेकेंड पॉइंट से. पेस्टोरल नोमैड्स आर shifting cultivation respond to the desert condition to their mobility and settled life near the oasis. So there are three main human settlement patterns in desert regions: semi-nomadic, pastoral nomads, and settled life. Semi-nomadic, that means they always form a small groups of people. है ना? So these are the answers that you have to find out, write down from the book.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. The